Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, people of all ages, I come at you live and in living color here in Jacksonville, Arkansas at the Gilbert Compound. As you know, I've been on FMLA for a little over a week now. I'm getting antsy wanting to go back to work, but I got to take a CT scan and I got to get some stuff going. I'm still in some pain over here. But man, do I want to go back to work. Man, I miss it. You guys, I miss y'all so much. Y'all have no idea. Oh, gosh. Anyway. So, without further ado, I got some stuff from Wish. I ordered about, what, God only knows. You know it's from Wish. It was a long time ago. But anyway, here it is. Guys, I know what this is, and I'm hoping that it comes out as beautiful as the photo. But you know, with Wish, you never know. So, here we go. I wanted y'all to have the first reaction. I'll even let y'all see it first. Close my eyes. Yeah. Wow. That's interesting. Not as pronounced as it was on the thing. But not, oh wow, out of the bag, it's, well, that's huge. I can barely read it. Well, I guess I should have got a bigger size. Hey, it fits that ring. All right, check this out. Put it on right. Whew. It's a Lakers Kobe Bryant championship ring. Check it out. That's a big old fat ring, fellas. All right. That's screenshotable right there, buddy. Wow. Wow, that's not as good as I was praying for and hoping for, but that's a pretty fat ring, fellas. Man, that's cool. Sorry, babe. It's back on now. No worries. All right. I got something else here. Is this really here? Oh, man. Oh, man. Wow. I'm so happy. I don't know which one it is, but man. I'm so happy. This is for my pepper people, I think. Let's see what she is. Oh, yeah. Oh, man. Check it out. I don't know if y'all know what this is, but I know what this is. Now, if you are a pepper guy like I am, you go to the store and you buy, or you go online and you buy those very small bars of chocolate, and it's a challenge. And what it is basically it's chocolate with capsaicin in it, and it will burn you up. And you can only eat one little square. Well, I can make my own now, and let's see how hot I can get it, huh? So, anyway, I got a few things like this coming in, and I'm going to try it with white chocolate first and see what happens. But anyway, I thought that was really cool. I didn't know that's what came in, but it did, so I'm happy. I got some bullets coming. Excuse me. I got some bullets coming. I've got some other things as well. So, you know, stay tuned. I've got some more Wish openings coming. And got something here too, but this ain't for me. This is for my girl. So She'll have to open that up on her own. Not quite sure what it is. It says purple, whatever it is. Hope she likes it. Well, anyway, guys, I need y'all to like, add, subscribe, and comment, and pray. We all need to pray today, and we all need to pray until we can get this country opened again. And, you know, 68% of my viewers are not even subscribers. That's kind of sad. Go ahead and subscribe, guys. I need your support. All right, now more than ever. God bless America. God bless you. God bless our president. And let this corona world be over so that we can all get back to work. God bless you. See you next time.